In my view, probably there are no classical somebody can be branded as introvert or extrovert. We go through phases when sometimes we may be in an introvert phase, sometimes in an extrovert phase. Sometimes within the day we may go through an introvert and extrovert phase, sometimes over a period of few years too. But having said that, society brands us as introvert or extrovert, and that programming stays in our mind, some maybe more so than others. So we need to help them to overcome that branding and that programming that has sunk into ourselves. And let's assume somebody is introvert in a classical sense. So for the introvert themselves, they should muster the courage to speak at least one word in a conversation. At least one word, maybe a one sentence, muster the courage and say yes, no, don't even say nod your head. Voice it out through a word. And that is the first step to break that barrier. Then one sentence, two sentences, slowly develop. It need not be a race that, okay, day one word, day two word. No, day 1 week, 2 weeks, maybe one word only, it's okay. It's like an exponential curve, it will rise. So muster the courage to speak one word. Two, start saying an affirmation that you're courageous to speak every day, every morning, so that slowly whatever programming that you thought of yourself gets erased and this new programming starts to fill that space. That you are courageous and you speak boldly and you share your thoughts and views. That is the programming you need to build into it. So there are many affirmation techniques. So use those affirmation techniques and start doing that. Third thing, visualize how it feels when you're sharing these things to other people. How does it feel? How does it feel when you're in a group and you're talking, which normally you don't do, and visualize as if you're doing that, positive. So that also reinforces. Fourth thing is detach yourself from the feelings and thoughts and opinions of others. Today, somebody may compliment you for your ideas and sharings. You'll suddenly feel elated. Tomorrow, they'll criticize and you'll be down in the pits. So detach yourself from that so that you're not affected. Your words are said because you wanted to share that, not because will I receive compliments or criticism. I wanted to share this is my views and I'm sharing it across. And be immune or detached to this. And that way you'll overcome your introvertness more easily than other ways. And for the person, let's say you're a team leader and helping an introvert to come out of it. From the team leader side, ensure that that person who speaks less or who doesn't share is given that moment to be voiced and say one word. Don't coax them or force them to say a lot because that will feel pressurized and they'll go more. Just say anything, one word. I don't have an opinion, I don't have anything to share is also good because that is a sharing. I don't have an opinion is a sharing. It doesn't have to be something because you have just broken that ice. And second thing is to build one-to-one rapport, like I keep saying in many of the other talks, that keep that one-to-one rapport. The team leader builds that rapport and asks them spend a little more time, but after some time you'll find that person who was introvert has suddenly overcome their distance with the team and they start sharing more. That's all it takes. They are introvert, not with everybody, with the family. I'm sure they may be speaking a lot. So why is it that they're introvert in a particular situation? Because that rapport hasn't been built. So using these, in fact, the team leader can add another tool to themselves is listening well. When they're building that rapport, you listen to the other person completely till they have everything, whatever they have to share. That doesn't mean you agree to what they say, but you allow them to talk fully to the end. That is really the key. And once we start doing that, you'll slowly start seeing the person. There are many more tools, but I'm sharing a few. But you'll start seeing that they start coming out of their shell soon, that courage is built in, and they start sharing their ideas, and some of them may be really good, some may not be so good. Doesn't matter. The idea is, can you build your team and encourage each one to voice their